Apex News, India, Northeast.
Kublai Pibro, Ganegade Apex News India, Kikborn Puli, Piba Cordor Marbo. Tunya Paishwa Shikimat Kibakongsan. Kikbori Babania. Deputy Commissioner but Superintendent of Police Jonka East Giant Hills District, Kilale Hajir Hakmat ka Meghalaya High Court, Haka Singininkong, Haka Bayade, but ka Jing Batay Bom, Haka Santrik Urimpang, Haka Way Kapar Do Yong Bian, Kabala Shim ya Arpunyongut Kimin Siembrio, Haka Ba Ninkong. Ka High Court kala Shim da Kasuo Moto, Yaka Kubor Jonkilat Patay Kubor Halor Katega Jinja, but Kalabata Yaki He Officer Jonka District, Banpantip Shaka Ying Bishar Yaka Jingle Kabalale Hadu Manta.
In connection with the illegal coal mining blast that happened on the 5th of February, and the Honorable High Court had taken the cognizance, and the DC and SP of East Gentia Hills were called for personal appearance. In that connection, we had come to the Honorable High Court, and we'll be, since the matter is sub judice, at this stage, we cannot say much. We'll be doing our bit that is required, and search and rescue operation is still ongoing. The investigation in those cases, in the case, is ongoing. We have made arrest, and it is going in right direction, and I'm sure that we'll bring it to the logical conclusion.
When will be the next appearance in the court?
We'll be getting the order by evening, so after that only we'll be able to say that on which date appearance will be there.
So search and rescue operation, is it over? Have you stopped the rescue operation?
No, it is still ongoing as of now. Yeah, yesterday also it was there. We could not recover any body yesterday, and today also the search and rescue operation is still ongoing.
So how long are you planning to continue with this operation?
It will depend on the teams that are deployed there, NDRF, SDRF, special rescue team that are there. At the same time, we will take the considered decision subsequently, because we have to see the terrain and everything. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
We are yet to, right now we have already arrested 2, and now we are ngatrai ngan dia begin batai lot kita baru kamlong naman ta ki police jogi kilong on the job ban find out nabar lemba jong kini ki bala sakem ru kinang ya find out kumno don kanu ki ek bin bol nang tamano manusu ya kata ngan mla ban batai ya menta te ailat yang ni nakaliang police department ba kin find out ya ki jiksi siapa kot kan nuket kidon ki tuki ki miners lain ki nuki ba involved by kenika illegal mining. Okay.
Kajing Yabrio na Kajing Batay Dynamite Haka Mingsngat, Tangsku, area Jonka East Giant Hills District, Kalakio Shakalai Pongut, Hadin, Balangut Kinong Tre Kilaman Sao, Kilaklano Hakasiningkong. Uwe na kita gilano tu balatip kerteng kum uraju tamang like South Nem Kakerta, ubadang sya sumar Honey Grims. Ulaklano hakapor kumba ndriyo lala arpuwe baje janmiet. Hagaju kapor kitalong kubor na asam kila pentikena baar ngut kiwe pat kinong trey ki balaminsaw kila sya sumar haka Silchar Medical College but hospital badru kila klano haka ni kasiningkong. Kamighalaya High Court hakasnginingkong kalapan pao ya kajing skokya kabakraw halor kajing beteng jong kibor badai pej bante lakam ikijing ti do yong bian kabala jelay bha ha East Giant Hills. Ka division bench kabakanthop ya ki Justice Hamarsan Singh thank you but one lura ding do Kila batay halor ka kait point ba lai phun riu jong Justice BP. Ka komiti kateki kum kabapin ngosi bat kabapin i hikijing bakla ki bajur bat kajing bamle ya ka kamram. Kaying bishar kala maham syai ba on penbet ya kajing bakli bat kala ongru ba kalala ban hukum ya kajing token da katanat lalut lane katanat pedeng lada kajing ya kendu kadawa kumta. Unong bishar BP kateki ubalong ukli jong ka komiti balatung da ka high court ula batay ya kijing ti du yong bian ha East Giant Hills kum ka jing le pa jong ka jila kabala shu e klem jing yo i bat jing ya ro habaya thu i kijing kren jong u ukatiki ula ong ba ula le jingo ya ka chnong tang sko hakan rutrik urempang hadin balayo kubor syapang ka jingja jong ka par du yong kabala penyap ya kimen simbriu haba ula le jurep syakate ka jaka ula lab ya ki kamti du yong bian tang hakate ka jaka balaja henry habaro arliang jong ka surak kabala le syakate ka jaka.
Exactly.
Blasting second thing.
Exactly.
But the death of another person in Israel, that is the third case. One person from Assam died
Yes.
in a coal mine accident.
Exactly.
The blast incident, second thing. So therefore, in all probability, their modus operandi now is to use this dynamite, and that is why dynamites are being recovered from various places. And it may be so that in other districts also they will follow the same thing.
Exactly.
And then the situation will come, which is, I think, a horrified situation may occur unless the administration acts.
So, sir, do you think
Layo ajing penbana syapang ka jing ploding ha kapor kumba architeng bejemen stem ha kasngining kong ha upper la shumer ha shiliang kamalki petrol pump ha shilong. Katay kading kalaplu ha kiying sa brio. Kijing tep baning kong kayathu ba kadaw jong kijing plu jong kading kaday na kajing short circuit. Syam ladan bayap ni mensaw.
Lahat kalilan ito eh. Nangyari inside eh. Kasi nakatala tayo tayo mikit. Mungkin jadi yang itu.
Hakasngining kong Hari Bhoi District Lapanlong ya ka state level mock drill banpen kre batpen klan halor ki jingja basngusi na ka jingsha penjulor ujumai. Ya ka ni ka jingle akai Lapanlong da ka tanat penyan na ka jingsha lin shop ha ka jila Meghalaya ka Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority, District Disaster Management Authority, Revenue and Disaster Management Department ringkat bat ka jingitre lang jong ka National Disaster Management Authority. Ya kani ka mock drill Lapanlong ha Shillong Airport Umroy bat kam hadien Lapanlong ha ka MS Umyam Distillation Private Limited kabadon ha Bernihat. Ka simulated scenario kabade ka jingknyu jumay kabajur kabay 3.R magnitude. Kabalaling shop ha kanong ba Shillong bat kabalakta ru ya kibenta jong ka Riboy District.
Okay, thank you.
Kajingya khanralang kabalapanlong da kisipay India Army ki Assam Rifle bat ki pulit jong ka Manipur hapadeng ka shitarik bat nyo tarik uremphang kilapanlong ya ka jingkem ya nyongut ki kadre bat ki jingyo kurup ya ki tiar jingya khun ki tiar yasian kum ki suloy ki kuli bat ki tiar pen bathai ha kaleng ki district jong ka Manipur. Ya ka ni ka jingkhanra lapanlong ha Imphal West, Imphal East, Thobal, Tengnopal, Bishnupur bat Perzol district. Kabalapanlong ya ka jingyo kurup ya ki khatpra teliki sulay, shibun teliki IED, bat ki wei pat ki jaka balabu ye ki tiar ye khud kum hakapor hiar thma UMP ka Congress Urajiv Shukla ulo ong bakite ki jingkno kilong ki babakla habakan tho ye ki jingkren jong umintri rangba ka jila uhimanta Biswas Sarma ulapen pau ba ukpa jong Gaurav Gogoi u la shakri kum umintri rangba ka jila hadu khatsan snam bat ula batai ye kalong yeng kum ki riu idli da ka babin rab balalong ka babakla ban pin yahab ye kum kini ki jingkno persha ye ki
ये बिल्कुल जो है वाहियात गलत आरोप है गौरव गोगोई पे वो फादर 15 साल मुख्यमंत्री रहे वो ये सब राष्ट्रवादी लोग हैं नेशनलिस्ट लोग हैं इन पे इस तरह का आरोप लगाना गलत है
kajing le tho ka bapin kindet bha ha ka bapin poimar online kala pau per thei lingba ka video ka bala sapryang bha lapin I bat kano ye kinong pen poimar baki lapin tan kam da ki dawai ban pli ye ki mar balakhang ka video kalapin I ye ki tiar ki barem dor baki latu bat bujili da ki tiar thok ni ki tiar balashna kerpang shaban khang biang ye ki parcel klem da don ka dak aa bat omla ban yu I baki lapin kala hadin kata kinong thiet kilalap baha ka jaka jong kamar ba dei hok kila yo pen ban da ki sabun ki mau bat ki tiar jabo kari India bat kari France ki dangdon ha ka jingye kranna ka benta ka jingye te jingye de bat jingye thiet ya ki scalp crew missile ba shongdor hadu laispa million euro kini ki de ki ju ki namding ki bala yathu bala pindon kam banpen pra ki jaka sa jong ki le no ki badon ha Pakistan ha kapor bakile ya ka operation Sindhu
India and France are in advanced discussions for a major defense deal worth around 300 million euros for Scalp cruise missiles. Indian Air Force is looking to procure a significant number of Scalp missiles from France, following their successful combat use during Operation Sindoor. These missiles were launched from Rafale fighter jets to strike terrorist headquarters of Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Taiba inside Pakistan, with officials confirming pinpoint accuracy and complete target destruction. Defense sources say a final decision on the deal is expected soon. The Scalp missiles will strengthen India's long-range precision strike capability and will be deployed across the IAF's Rafale fleet. The missiles are also set to be integrated with the Rafale marine jets ordered for the Indian Navy.
Badagi tu kubor nila poy siya kabakod tahado bengin de siyambiyang kublay shibun.
Apex News, India, Northeast.